All right, here we go. This is the 1960 Austin Healey, and we're going to do a cold start video. The car's been sitting on the grass here all day, so we'll see. It's totally cold. So, yeah. So now, let's start this baby. That guy right there, he owned the car for 60 years. Neutral, choke out, ignition key on, and wait for the fuel pump. And here we go. And there it is. There's the temp and oil pressure. It's about bone cold. Just start up. It's about 40. Jumps up a little when cold. And here, let's see. Here's the motor run.